Let's make Far North Spirits' version of the Greta Garbo. To make this drink, we are going to start by misting the glass with absinthe. And the official glass is a coupe, and I'm using my Anderson Ancestral coupes. You don't have to use Anderson Ancestral, you can use any coupe that you like. But a quick spray. Set this aside, we're going to need it in a little bit. Set the glass aside because we're going to need that too. Now we're going to do some shaking. And we're going to start with some simple syrup. And I make my own simple syrup. The recipe is here on the channel as well. If you'd like to check that out, link will be down below. Anyway, simple syrup. Let's double check my specs because it is different from the regular Greta Garbo. And we're putting in ½ ounce of simple syrup. And this is a 1-to-1 simple syrup. ½ ounce is 15 milliliters. 1 ounce of lime juice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. Then a 1/4 ounce of your Luxardo Maraschino liqueur. 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters. And finally, 2 ounces of your Ålander White Rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Oh, I'm going to need another bottle of this. Add some ice. And whoa, give it a shake. Bring my coupe back, and I'm going to double strain into the coupe. And the garnish. Garnish is going to be another spray of a mist of absinthe and a Luxardo cherry. I guess it doesn't have to be Luxardo, a cherry of some sort. Something good, not one of the day-glow red things. And there you have it, the Far North Spirits Greta Garbo. Drink with good spirits.